Kashmir is the northmost geographical region of the Indian subcontinent. Until the mid-19th century, the term Kashmir denoted only the Kashmir Valley between the Great Himalayas and the Bir Pangal Range. Today, the term encompasses a larger area. The Indian administrative territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, the Pakistani administrative territories of Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, and the Chinese administrative territories of Aksai Chin and the Trans-Karakoram tracts. In the first half of the first millennium, Kashmir region became an important center of Hinduism and the later of Buddhism. Later still, in the 9th century, Kashmir Shivism arose. In 1339, Shah Mir became the first Muslim ruler of Kashmir. The Salatinate Kashmir or Shah Mir dynasty. The region was the part of the Mughal Empire from 1586 to 1751 and the rest of until 1820 of Afghan Durrani Empire. Under Ranjit Singh exiting Kashmir in 1846 after the Sikh defeat in the First Anglo-Sikh War and upon the purchase of the region from the British under the Treaty of Amritsar, the Raja of Jammu, Gulab Singh, became the new ruler of Kashmir. The rule of his designated under the paramountcy of the British Crown lasted until the partition of India in 1947. When the former princely state of British Indian Empire became a disputed territory now administered by three countries, India, Pakistan and China. The word Kashmir was derived from the ancient Sanskrit language and was referred to as Kashmira. The government of India and India resources referred to the territory under the Pakistan control. Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK. The government of India, Pakistan and Pakistani resources referred to partition of Kashmir administered by India as India occupied Kashmir IOK or India held Kashmir IHK. The term India administered Kashmir and Pakistani administered Kashmir are often used by natural sources for the part of the Kashmir region controlled by each country. During ancient and medieval period, Kashmir was an important center for the developing of a Hindu-Buddhist. Shamsuddin Shah Mir arrived in Kashmir 1313 along with his family during the region of Sohadeva, whose service he entered in subcontinent years through his act and ability. Shah Mir rose to the prominence and became one of the important personalities of the time. Later, after the death in 1338 of Umadeva, the brother of Sohadeva, he was able to assume the kingship himself and thus laid the foundation of permanent Muslim rule in Kashmir, designation among the ruling classes and foreign invasion when the two main factors which contributed toward the establishment of Muslim rule in Kashmir. Shah Mir was the first Muslim ruler of Shah Mir dynasty, which was established in 1339. Muslim ulama such as Mir Sayyid al-Hamdani arrived from Central Asia to proselytize in Kashmiri and their effort convert thousands of Kashmiris to Islam. And Hamdani sons also convinced Sikandar Batshikan to enforce Islamic law. By the late 1400s, most Kashmiri had accepted Islam. Persian was introduced in Kashmir by the Shah Mir dynasty 1349 to 1561 and started to flourish under Sultan Zainul Abidin. The Mughal Badshah Emperor Akbar conquered Kashmir from 1585 to 1586, taking advantage of Kashmir's internal Sunni Shia division. Akbar added into the Kabul Suba, encompassing modern-day northern eastern Afghanistan, northern Pakistan and Kashmir Valley of India. But Shah Jahan carried it out a separate Suba imperial top-level province with its seat at Srinagar. Kashmir became the northernmost region of Mughal India as well as a pleasure ground in the summertime. They would present water guardian in Srinagar along the shore of Dal Lake with cool and elegantly proportioned terraces, fountain, rose, jasmine and rows of chinar tree. Afghan Durrani dynasty Durrani Empire controlled Kashmir from 1751 when 15th Mughal Badshah Emperor Ahmad Shah Bahadur Vakri Manul Mulk was defeated and reinstated by Durrani founder Ahmad Shah Durrani was conquered early modern day Afghanistan and Pakistan from the Mughals and local rulers until the 1820 Sikh term. The Afghan ruler brutally repressed Kashmir of all faith according to the Kashmir historians. 1819, the Kashmir Valley passed from the control of Durrani Empire of Afghanistan to conquer armies of the Sikh under Ranjit Singh of the Punjab, the ending for countries of Muslim rule under the Mughals and Afghan regime as the Kashmiris suffered under the Afghan. They entirely welcome to the new Sikh ruler. However, the Sikh governor turned out to be hard take master and Sikh rule was generally considered oppressive. In 1845, the First Anglo-Sikh War broke out. According to the Imperial Gazetteer of India, Gulab Singh contributed to hold himself aloft till the Battle of Savran 1846, when they appeared a useful mediator and the trusted advisor of Sir Henry Lawrence. Two treaties were included by the first state of the Lahore, West Punjab, handed over the British as equivalent for 1 crore indemnity. They hill country between the river Bees and Indus. By the second, the British made over to Gulab Singh from 75 lakhs. The hilly or mountainous country situated to the east of Indus and the west of Ravi, the valley of Kashmir. Kashmir was neither as large nor as old independent state as Hyderabad. It had been created rather handily by the British after the first day of the Sikhs in 1846 as a reward to a former official who had sided with British. The Himalaya kingdom was connected to India through a district of the Punjab, but its population was 77% Muslim and its shared boundary with Pakistan. India has control of about half the area of former princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, which comprises Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, while Pakistan controls a third of region divided into provinces Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Although there was a clear Muslim majority in Kashmir before the 1947 partition, and the economic, cultural and geographical contiguity with the Muslim majority area of the Punjab in Pakistan could be convincingly demonstrated, the political development during and after the partition resulted in a division of the region. Pakistan was left with territory that, though basically Muslim in character, was thinly populated, relatively inaccessible and economically underdeveloped. The larger Muslim group situated in the valley of Kashmir and estimated to number more than half the population of the entire region lay in India administrative territory with its former outlet via the Jhelum Valley route blocked. The Kashmir region lies between latitude 32 centigrade and 36 centigrade and longitude 74 centigrade and 80 centigrade east. It has an area of 68,000 miles. It is bordered to the north and east of China, Xinjiang and Tibet, to the northwest by Afghanistan, Wakhan Corridor, to the west by Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab, and to the south by India, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Kashmir has a different climate for our region owing to the great variation of the level of the altitude. The temperature range from the tropical heat of the Punjab summers to the intensity of the cold which keep the perpetual snow of the mountain. Jammu division, excluding the upper part of Chenab Valley, featured a humid subtropical climate. The Vale of Kashmir has a moderate climate. The Store Valley and some part of Gilgit-Baltistan feature a semi-Tibetan climate, while as the other part of Gilgit-Baltistan and Ladakh have Tibetan climate, which is considered as almost rainless climate. Kashmir has a recorded forest area of 20,230 square kilometers. Along with some national parks and reserves, the forests vary according to the climatic condition and the altitude. Kashmir forests range from tropical deciduous forest in the foothill of Jammu and Muzaffarabad to the temperate forest thought of Vale of Kashmir and the alpine grassland and high altitude meadows in Gilgit-Baltistan and Ladakh. Historically, Kashmir became now worldwide when Kashmir wool was exported to other regions and nation. Export has ceased due to decreased abundance of the Kashmir gold and increased competition from China. Kashmir are well adept at cutting and marketing pashmina shawls, silk, carpet, rugs, kurtas and pottery saffron to it grow in Kashmir, Srinagar. Wood carving and the weighing of silk. The economy has badly damaged by the 2005 Kashmir earthquake, which as of 8 October 2005 resulted in over 70,000 deaths in the Pakistan administrative territory of Azad Kashmir and around 1,500 deaths in Indian administrative territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So far, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment in comment section.